everyone! So today I'm going to make a cover to Empty Soul by Kalia Yang, and I hope you guys like it. So let's go. You said you loved me, yeah, I believed it, 'cause I was a fool for your love. Could I get any stupider? Thought we were in love, but I guess to you I was worth less than a dime, yeah. Treated you like gold. I saw you as a diamond. Make sure to keep you safe in my arms, but I guess you were never really there. Why wouldn't you there? Why wouldn't you there? Why wouldn't you? Why wouldn't you? Why wouldn't? What was it there? Could it be you were dead, so incomplete, boundless dead, cold and empty soul, cold and empty soul. I still remember the brown in your eyes till I found out that brown was a lie. Now your eyes are silent, pure black. You are a demon. You sucked the soul out of the only hope I ever had. Was treated you like gold. I saw you as a diamond. Made sure to keep you safe in my arms, but I guess you were never really there. Why weren't you there? Why weren't you there? Why weren't you? Why weren't you? Why weren't? What was it there? Could it be you were dead, so incomplete?